Ring, ring, ring. Ring, ring, ring. Hello? Oh, hi, Captain. Good morning. What's going on? Oh. Uh-huh. Okay. Yes. We have something on the bed you could use. Okay, Captain? Just jump up and grab it. And you guys are going to use this? It's one of Mommy's statements from a long time ago. That's okay, because all they need to see that we have a business license. So I'm going to just take this, and we go back to the bake sale. And so far, most of our chips have been bought at a good price. Oh, that's really good. Yes, so, okay, I'm off. Okay. Okay, Mommy, we off. Okay, Mommy, we going. Okay, you guys be safe. Don't lose the business license, or for sure you won't get anything from the bake sale. Okay, Mommy, we're gonna bring a lot of cookies, and we give some to Pam. Okay, Cookie was starting to eat them all, and we say, no, those are for the bake sale.